we discussed about the pairs of lines. Okay. In that, the important thing is when two lines are cut by a transversal, this is called as transversal. This line is cutting these two lines in different points. Here the formation of 8 angles. Okay, 8 angles. Which are those? In that, corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles, exterior angles, like that we have studied them. Suppose these two given lines are parallel. See here, suppose these two lines are parallel and one line is transversal like this. What about the angles? The angles formed are equal. How they are equal? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here see, angle 3 equal to angle 7. They are called as corresponding angles. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. That also corresponding angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles. Like this, 4 pairs of corresponding angles will be there. They are equal to each other when the given lines are parallel and there is a transversal. If they are not parallel, they are not equal. Just they formed. Angles will be formed. Please keep it in the mind. The same way, I see 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles, that you know already. 1 and 3 are also vertically opposite angles. 3 and 5 are interior alternate angles. And 4 and 6 are interior alternate angles. Like this, there is formation of 8 angles and they are equal also when they are parallel lines. Okay. So now on this base, now we are solving exercise, that is exercise 5.2, and see here, state the property. Here they have given some questions. We have to write the questions and write the property, which property, on which property they are equal. The first question is, you have to take the question. See, diagram I have drawn. A and B are parallel. Given that if A is parallel to B, A and B are parallel, these two are transversal. Okay, then if A is parallel to, the first question is, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 equal to, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. See, if A and B are parallel and this is transversal, angle 1 and 5 are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Yes. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Why? They are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Finish. This is the first one. You have to draw the figure. First question you have to take answer. This is answer. Next one, angle. If angle 4 is, if angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. If angle 4 plus 5 equal to 180 degree, sorry, angle 4 equal to angle 6, second one I must take. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Then A is parallel to, then A is parallel to B. If 4 equal to 6, 4 equal to 6, what kind of angles here? Alternative angles. If these two are equal, this is vice versa. When A is parallel to B, angle 4 equal to angle 6. Suppose sometimes, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, alternative angles are equal means given lines are parallel. So, this implies that angle 4 equal to angle 6 means the given lines are, this implies that the given lines A is parallel to B. Okay, why these are alternative angles, alternate angles. If angle 4 equal to angle 6, why? They are alternate angles. This implies that the given lines A is parallel to B. So like this you have to write the property used there. Next, angle 4 plus angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5. equal to 180 degree, then angle, then A is parallel to B. Here which property we have to use? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary here. Angle 4 plus the question we must write the third question. If angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree, then A is parallel to B. Yes, this implies that the sum of the angles of the same side of the transversal equal to 180 degree. That implies that A is parallel to B. A is parallel to B. This is what the first main. Now the second main. In the adjoining figure, identify identify what we have to identify. First we draw the figure. See, the figure is second figure you have to draw. See, this is A, B, this is transversal, okay, and then transversal is C. Then angles formed 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have to answer. The pairs of corresponding angles we have to write. Pairs of corresponding angles we have to write. First one, what we have to write? The pairs of corresponding angles. Which are the corresponding angles? Now we have to write. See, angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. Then angle 3, angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. See here. Angle 1, angle 5, angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. Corresponding means see, 4 and 8, 3 and 7, 2 and 6, 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. Like this. How many pairs? 4 pairs of corresponding angles will be there. The next one, next we have to write, that is next question. What is the next question? See here. The next question, the pairs of alternate interior angles. The pairs of alternate interior angles. The pairs of alternate interior means these are interior. Angle 2 and angle 8. Then one more, angle 3 and angle 5 are interior alternate angles. Next, the pairs of interior angles on the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. the pairs of interior alternate angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles, angle 3 and angle 8 one side, angle 3 and angle 8. The pairs of interior angles, these two are interior, this is interior, on the same side. 3 and 8 are same side, 2 and 5 are same side. Angle 3 and 8. One more, angle 2 and angle 5 are the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. The vertically opposite angles, the fourth one is vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles. See, you know already you have studied when two lines are intersecting each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. See, this line and this line. This one pair is vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Which are the angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 and 3 will write like that. Okay. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 7. Angle 8, 6 and angle 8 are vertically opposite angle. This is what second main. Now third main we'll see. Okay. Third main. What is the question? In the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. In the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. Find the unknown angles. Okay. Now we'll draw the figure neatly. So neatness is very, very important, students. Please maintain it. So these two are parallel lines and this is transversal. This is P and Q. Okay. Then angle EF. This is angle E, angle F. And this is 125 degree. This is ABCD. Here this is ABCD. Okay. So now we have to find out what they have given. They have given that P is parallel to Q and one angle they have given. Remaining all the angles we have to find out. See, and with see now angle 125. Okay, angle E equal to angle F. This is 125 and automatically angle D equal to 125. See here now we write solution. Angle D equal to 125 degree. Why? Because these two are what kind of angles they are? Corresponding angles. Okay. Now this we got. If we get F means we get the C. So how to find out F now? We will find out now. See, 125 degree plus F, angle F is equal to 180. Why? Because they are linear pair. They are linear pair. Okay. So angle F is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to 55 degree. See, angle F equal to 55 degree. What about angle C? This implies that angle F is equal to angle C is equal to 55 degree. What kind of angles they are? Corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay. Now this D and C over. If C is there means automatically this implies that angle C is equal to angle A. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And also we know that angle D, and then angle D is equal to angle B. How much D is? D already we found out how much it is. See, angle D is 125 degree. Angle D equal to angle B equal to 125. Why? They are also vertically opposite angles. So now angle F is there. Angle F is 55. Automatically angle E is, then angle F is equal to angle E. How much they are? 55 degree. Why? They are also vertically opposite angles. So please students, due to the lack of a place, just I have written with a small handwriting. Please cooperate with me. This is third main. You copy it. Next I will continue fourth and fifth, sixth. See here students, fourth main. Find the value of x if L is parallel to M. Here x is there, no? We have to find out this x and this x also we have to find out. See in the first figure, first we will find out the first one. See, angle, here this we will consider it as y. Okay, and this is L, no? Here we will take it as LM, this is N. This we will take it as S. Okay. Now angle TY, this TYN, angle TYN plus angle NYX, NYX equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. See, okay. Why? They are a linear pair. Linear pair. Using this we can find out the value of y first. Okay. Now TYN is 110 degree plus NYX, we don't know, we have to find out. NYX is equal to 180 degree. So NYX is equal to 180 minus 110. So NYX equal to 70 degree. See now we got angle y equal to 70 degree. This equal to angle x. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. So this implies that angle x is equal to 70 degree. Now in the second figure, we will see in the second figure, x we have to find out. See, L and M are parallel. These two are parallel and this is transversal. And see here, this is 100 degree. What about x? That also 100. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Yes. See here. If L is parallel to M and A is transversal, then angle x is equal to 100 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Okay, this is what? Fourth main. Now I'll go for the fifth main. See, fifth what it is we'll see. In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. In the given figure, otherwise better you take the question directly. I draw the figure and do the sums. Since there is a lack of a place, I'll just draw the figure and yes, this is the figure what they have given. Okay, so this is figure. Here I am not having sufficient place as you. So this is A and B is 70 degree and this is D, this is G, E and F, okay, and this is C. Now what we have to do? ABC equal to 70 degree they have given. This is 70 degree they have given. Now what we have to find out? We will see now. Draw the figure neatly with the sharp pencil. Now we have to find out angle DGC. See, angle DGC. This angle we have to find out. See here, these two are parallel and this is a transversal. This is 70 degree. What about this 70 degree? Why? Because they are corresponding angle. Solution. See, AB is parallel to DZ, okay, and BC is transversal. Angle ABG equal to 70 degree. This implies that angle DGC also 70 degree, right? Because they are corresponding angles. So we have to use those things what we have learnt in the previous class. Next, one more we have to find out, that is the second one. This is first one. Second one we have to find out, that is angle DEF. Angle DEF. See here, just now we got this is 70 degree. Okay. What about this? That also 70 degree. Why? When these two are parallel, automatically this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Okay. Now, second one we have to find out GEF. See now here, BC, when BC is parallel to EF, DE is and DE is transversal and angle DGC equal to 70 degree. This implies that angle GEF is equal to 70 degree. Why? They are also corresponding angles. Okay. So this is what the fifth main. Now the last main. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Sixth one. Better you copy this. I will do the sixth main. See students, sixth main. In the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M. See students, in this figure, these two are parallel or not, we have to say. Which are those? L and M are parallel or not, we have to say. How we have to say? These two angles are given. What kind of angles they are? They are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Sum of those two must be 180 degree. Then these two will be parallel. Okay, now sum of these two is 170. 126 plus 44 is 126 plus 4 130 170. So it is not equal to 170 degree. This implies that L is not parallel to M. Okay, L is not parallel to M. Okay, first one. The same way, second one we'll see. See the figure, they are not at all parallel only. In the figure they are not parallel, but according to the given angles, if they are parallel means we have to write that only. See now, here, this angle is 75 degree. Then what about this angle? 105. Why? Because these two are linear pair. If this is 105 and automatically this also must be 105. So they are not 105. So they are not, L and M are not parallel. Here the linear pair, linear pair 75 degree and plus 105 degree is equal to 180. So and this also given angle also must be 180 degree. So this implies that L is not parallel to M. L is not parallel to M. Then third figure you see. This is the figure L and M, and this is transversal N, and this is 123 and this is 57. Now what we have to do? 57 this must be 57. Okay. How we have to find out? These two are linear pair. So how to find out whether they are equal? 180 minus 123 is equal to, is it 57? Yes, 57 degree. So this 57 and these two are equal. If they are equal means automatically this implies that L is parallel to M. So here this implies that L is parallel to M. Now fourth figure. You see, these are L and M. N 72 degree, 98 degree. See now, 72 degree. And now what? This we have to find it because these two are alternate angles. Now 180 minus 72 is 108 degree. This must be 98. Then these two will be equal. So given lines are parallel. Now this is not. So this implies that L is not parallel. L is not parallel to M. So not parallel is like this. Here also I have written like this. L is not parallel to M. Okay. So here also this is not, that is not equal. This is not parallel. So L is parallel here. L is not parallel to M. So what we can write here? L is not parallel to M. So this is not the exercise completed. Now I told you to copy the points after completing the chapter. So what points you have to take? See, from the page number 111 you have to take the second point, third point, fourth point, and also fifth point. This is the points to remember. So here I am writing. Please write. Please write points to remember. Remember from the page number. Points to remember from your textbook. Point 2 to point 5, all the points. Point number 2 to point number 4, full. Page number 111, 12. Page number 111 and 112. So this is for your reference. Please take this all the points in your fair book. Very important there. Those all points are very important. So complete this fair note up to 5.2. This is in the geometry. Okay. Complete this fair note and come and get correction. Next also you will be in the geometry fair note only. Complete this neatly. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.